Welcome to planetgoals.com. In this tutorial we will learn how to run few basic Linux commands. Now I've always been using GUI, so you know initially I always thought Linux commands are very complicated, but running through the course of time I have learned that they are not as complicated as they seem to be. uh, so uh, what I'll do is I'll start with my terminal and I'll show you some live examples. So currently when I start my terminal, I don't know how to open a file, how to create a new file, how to create a new directory, how to go inside a new directory. I don't rather even know where I am right now in the command prompt. So what I would probably do is the very first thing what we will learn is we will learn where what is our current directory in the command prompt. So there is a simple command pwd that would actually tell us where currently we are situated. pwd stands for present working directory. So currently we are in the home directory uh, inside Dinesh. So what I will do is I will list all the files currently present in this directory. So these are the files that I see. Is you always know, if you know that your desktop, your documents and your downloads folder always is in the home directory. So this is what you see. This is the desktop, this is the documents, and so simply to list the files and folders in a directory, we simply run the ls command, and all your files and documents, all your files and directories would get listed. Now what we would probably do is go inside a directory. Say I want to go inside the documents directory, so I'll just type in cd space documents, and now I can check my current working directory. I'll just type in pwd again, and you see initially I was in home slash Dinesh. Now I'm in home slash Dinesh slash documents. So now my current working directory is document. Now I just want to list the files in this directory, as there is just one file with name s.ogv, which is a video file. I can create more files, but what I'll do is I'll create files in desktop rather. So I'll change my current directory. I'll go back, just to go back to the parent directory. What you have to do is type in cd. Cd is again for change directory, and then you have to put a space and put double dot. Double dot is for parent directory. So now I will list my current working directory. I'm back to home slash Dinesh, and now again if I list, I'll get the list of all the files and folders which were currently present in the home directory, in the Dinesh directory. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll go inside desktop. Now there are no files in this directory. What I'll do is I'll quickly create one new file, or else I'll start with creating a directory rather. So I'll create a directory with the command named mkdir. You see mkdir, and I'll name the directory as Dinesh. Okay, you see a directory has got created. Cool, isn't it? So this is how you can create a directory. You can also remove a directory by simply typing in rmdir space Dinesh, and you see the directory has disappeared. So you can create as many directories as you want simply by typing in mkdir, and you can list them that by simply typing in ls. Now what I'll do is I'll create a file. So to create a file, we run the command with, say, cat will create a file with a redirection symbol. A redirection symbol is the greater than sign, cat greater than the file name. You have to leave a space and type in the file name. Say I'll create a file with name dinesh.text. I'll create a text file. So I'll create a file with name dinesh.text. Now when I press enter, you will actually enter inside that text file, and you will type in the text that you want to place in that file. Now I'll type in hello world, and after typing in hello world, after finishing your typing, you have to do is press control key and the D key together to escape this text. Okay, so you have come back to your command. Just now simply type in ls again, and you see now there are two files. One is the folder that you had created earlier. One is the folder that you had created earlier, and the other one is the file. You see, this is the file. And now what I'll do is I want to read the contents of this file. Although I can open it over here and see this. Now if I want to open this in the command, what I would do is I'll type in cat, and I'll put in the file name. You know, all the difference in this command is I had put a redirection symbol, the greater than sign, in between, and here I have not put any any symbol. Now when I click on enter, you see this hello world here. This is the contents of the file. So now you see the contents over here are very less. So what I'll do is I can add more content. I can append content by simply putting double redirection sign and the file name. Now when I do this, now whatever I add here, say my name is Dinesh, and this is planetghost.com Linux commands. Free tutorial. Okay, now I'm done typing, and I'll press Ctrl D to escape this editor, and I'm come back to my command prompt. I can list the files again. I can open up the file, and you see this is something what I just added. Initially I had put hello world, and then I added my name is Dinesh, and this is planetghost.com Linux commands free tutorial. So this is how simple it is to create a directory, to add a directory, to create a file, to add text in the file, to amend text in the to add more text in the file. So you can open up this text over here and check out the same text which I added using this command prompt. So this is how you can create files and create content in the file. What I'll do is I'll remove this file now. So there is simple command named rm. You can just type in rm and type in the file name, the file name, and your file will get removed. You see, the file is gone. And if I want to remove the directory, I'll type in rmdir and the file, the directory name, and you see the directory also is gone. So now when I click on ls, you see there are no directories in this folder right now, in desktop right now. So in this tutorial we have learned how to create a directory, to add a directory, to to create a directory, and to create a file with contents, to remove a file to remove a directory, and how to change the directory from one to parent to child directory, or else we can list all the directories, and we can always check the present working directory where we are currently. Thank you for listening.